Hi, YouTube.
All right, my friends and family. So the Marriott Courtyard or Courtyard Marriott in Valdosta, they're renovating it. I don't think I've been in a hotel where they've been renovating the whole thing at one time. And so this is one of their renovated suites. Now, mind you, I haven't been here before, so I don't know what it looks like. So they have new carpet. There are some of the things that they haven't finished yet, like the moldings on the edge of the walls. They have not finished, so I think they're putting in edge molding. They have new wallpaper, new beds. The beds are amazing. Like, so I slept in this bed last night. It's a pillow top. It's amazing. They have a new furniture, new televisions. The furniture, I guess, is repurposed because it's, scratched. But all in all, it's pretty cool. And they have balconies, which you don't see very much, even though there's not enough room for kind of seating out there. It's kind of cool that they have balconies. I like the wallpaper. I like the new renovation. They have blackout curtains, which I think is kind of cool. One of my complaints, at least I don't know how to work it, is that they renovated, but instead of having central air, they have the kind of the air vents, the old school like motel style air vents. And this one doesn't work for the heat. And even though I'm in the South, it's actually a bit chilly, but that's one complaint I have, but not a big one. But the pillow top helps because it's pillow top plus this down is like super nice. I think one of the things that I would have recommended if they're doing a renovation is that they put in the USB ports. They didn't, so it's still kind of old school if you look at the thing. There's old school plugs, and they have like a nice new lamp, but no plugs in there. So it's a bit frustrating. Their bathroom area it's okay. I mean, in terms of accommodations at a Courtyard, it's pretty decent. The bathroom is large. It's accommodating for handicap accommodations. This is kind of loud, so I'm going to turn this on really briefly. They did a renovation here. It's kind of old school. I don't know if they did a true renovation or they did one of those kind of the bath fitter things. It's okay. It's not super awesome. Instead of replacing the door, they just kind of fixed the door. I don't know how someone would have broken the door. Also, the light switch is broken. But this is one of the newly renovated rooms, so I am like a bit concerned how this place looked beforehand, but this is nice. The one thing I will notice is that because the renovation is going on all floors simultaneously, there are some things that are lacking, like the front desk is being renovated, so they're operating off of a table instead of the front desk, and they're renovating all the floors. And this is the first floor that's supposedly completed, but as you saw from the thing that I showed you before, they still have notices on the door, things that aren't done that we're leaving on the door. So that's a bit weird. Anyway, I will close it out downstairs in the lobby and see its renovation. Oh, it is to get renovated. That's my review of the Courtyard Marriott in Valdosta. It's just been renovated. It's super nice. If you are in Valdosta, Georgia, I would say definitely I'd recommend staying there. It is a nice property. It's a Marriott property, and it was unexpected and surprising to find it in Valdosta. The landscaping is nice. The renovations have been done very well, and the staff was super nice. So it's your boy GB Reviews. Thanks.
Subscribe right below.